Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check your manufacture date on HONOR MagicBook. To check the manufacture date, it'll be in the BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there's a video on our channel on how to do it. But if you know how to enter BIOS, just don't know with which key, you can click on F2 key on the startup, then it'll go into BIOS. And now you can see the serial number, and this is quite complicated because the 6th and 7th digit are the year, then the 8th digit is the month, and 9th and 10th digits are the date. So this is pretty complicated, and I don't really know what happens if it's the October, November or December, but I haven't found any information online on the HONOR website, so I cannot just tell you that. Although I can say by this number that it's the 2020 March 6th of the March. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.